everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Calendly invitees to Flowlu CRM as contact automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Calendly is an appointment scheduling software and Flowlu is a CRM software application. So the idea here is that whenever an appointment is scheduled and a new invitee is created into your Calendly account, automatically the same invitee should get created as a contact into your Flowlu CRM account. For this, we need to create a connection between Calendly and Flowlu CRM. In order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software applications very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Calendly invitees to Flowlu as contact. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add all the Calendly invitees to our Flowlu CRM account as contacts. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Calendly. In the trigger event, we have to select invitee created. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. That is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Calendly account. You can get your API key from Calendly account and go to the integrations. Okay, so let's go to the Calendly account. Here we can find the integrations option. Click on it. And when we scroll down, here we can find the API and webhooks option. Click on API and webhooks and let's scroll down and at last we can find the API key. So I'll simply copy this key from here and I'll paste the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save. And now the Calendly account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Calendly account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Calendly account. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to create a new invitee in our Calendly account. So let's move to Calendly. Here we have to go to the home page. Here I have already created some events and the event which we are using is Pabbly Connect support. Let's click on view booking page or you can simply copy the link from here and you can open it in a new tab. And this particular page will get open and here we are going to select the date as 11th of March 2022. Let us select the time as 11:30 AM. Let's click on confirm. Let us give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com and let's add the phone number and click on schedule event. Okay, and here we can see that you are scheduled with Ashi Rai. Okay, so here we can see that the appointment is confirmed. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received. Here we can find the event as invitee created. So a new invitee is created over here. And when we scroll down, here we can find all the details of the appointment, the date and the time. And here we can find the first name of the invitee, his last name, his email address. And here even we can find the contact number also. So now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we wanted, using these details, automatically a new contact should get created into your Flowlu account. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Flowlu. In the action event, we have to select create CRM account contact. Okay, I'm just going to find the same over here. Create CRM account contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and account URL. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Flowlu account. Navigate to the system settings page from the left sidebar. You can find your account URL and your API key is available under the API settings section. So I'll take you to my Flowlu account. Okay, so this is my Flowlu dashboard. Here we can find the system settings option. Click on system settings. And here we can find the API settings. Click on it. Now here we can find the API keys. So I'm just going to create a new API key by clicking on this create button. Here we have to give a name. So let us give it as Calendly. Calendly integration. Okay. Here we have to select the application as CRM and let's click on save. And here we can find that a new API key is generated. Let's copy this API key from here and we have to paste the same over here. Now it is asking for the account URL. Enter your account URL with the leading HTTPS protocol. And this is the account URL. So let us copy the account URL from here. Okay. So I'm just going to copy it and let's paste the same over here in Pabbly Connect. Let's remove the backslash and let's click on save. Okay, now the Flowlu CRM account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Flowlu account also. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your accounts. Now here we have to give the first name, last name, email address of the invitee. So we have already got the invitee details from Calendly over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. So let's give the first name from Calendly and the first name was Adam. Here we have to map the last name, that was Smith. Here email address is required. So let us map the email address. Here if you have some description of the contact, you can enter the description. Here you have to select the category. Is it a customer, a competitor, analyst, integrator, investor, partner? So you can select it as per your requirement. I'm just selecting it as a customer. Here you have to select the industry. Let us select the industry as technology. You can select it as per your requirement. If you have the address details, you can map it over here. So we have the phone number. Let us map the phone number. Okay. If we don't have the other details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. If you have the tax details, you can enter the tax details and the bank details over here. The owner ID is automatically captured. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new contact is created in our Flowlu CRM account. Let's check it. Here we have to move to the CRM account and CRM section. Let's click on contacts. Okay, and here we can see that a new contact is created over here named Adam Smith along with his phone number and the email address. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay, I'll just maximize the size of these columns. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, we have to just create a new invitee in our Calendly account and we have to check the contact in our Flowlu CRM account. So let's create a new invitee. Let's open the booking page. And this time let us select the date as 23rd of March, timing as 10 AM. Click on confirm. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya.
email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number and let's click on schedule event. So the invitee is created over here. Now we have to check our Flowlu CRM account. We have to just refresh it. And here we can find the details of the invitee, name as Shikha Arya, her phone number, and along with that the email address. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Calendly and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the invitee whenever a new appointment was scheduled, and using those details of the invitee, automatically the same invitee was created as a contact into your Flowlu CRM account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Calendly and Flowlu using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.